Hello everyone. If you need to send your tax info to Google, and if you're not resident of the United States or like citizen of the United States, this video is for you. So first, you go to your Adsense profile, then you go to settings. I'm gonna be showing you this in a moment. You click payments, payment settings. I'm in. You manage them and you go to tax information and you send your tax information by clicking add tax info. You pick the country of your citizenship. You enter your local tax number. You enter your permanent and postal address. If they are the same, you enter one address and you click the button like the address, like the postal address is the same as permanent residence address. Then I'm gonna be showing you this postal index also. This is very important. Then here you pick the answer yes if your country has tax treaty with United States. You can go to tax service of United States website and check it there. My country has treaty with United States. This is my country. And here you pick the rate. In my case, I have a YouTube channel which uses Adsense. So in my case, this is very important. This option. You see services Adsense 0, not 30, but 0. It's very important. Here is the rest of it. It is quite questionable because let's just have a look. It says motion picture and TV. The rest is other copyright. Okay, let's just think about it. AdSense probably it is YouTube. Okay, motion picture and TV. You can actually not check it, right? If you don't have any movies, and if you don't have like any games, any not free games, and if you don't have like any music on Google Play, any books. But in future, what if you will have some movie on YouTube, not free movie, and some kind of book or like song on YouTube. On YouTube Music. It's now not Google Play Music. It's now YouTube Music. What if in future you will have something about music so you should better pick here the reduced rate, just in case if in the future you will have some music or movie. What if you become an actor like out of sudden and the movie where you act will be on YouTube, or maybe you will just in case, because have a look. If you don't pick those options, like this one and this one, you think like, okay, I don't have any music, I don't have any book on Google Play, and then later maybe something happens in your life and you will have this rate 30. Okay, but now you have option to reduce this rate for yourself, just in case if in future you will have something like that. Just think about this, all right? Don't just ignore this. Okay, next. Click next. Here you review all those things. I recommend you to click at every link here and save those documents as HTML and print them as PDF, because Google, it's such a platform where you can find everything, right? But you have to search. You have to search for it. But now, when you don't have to search, when it is right in front of your face, why not to download those documents and keep it somewhere nearby just in case if you need them? Because later on, if you need them, you will need to search everywhere in your Adsense profile, and maybe you will not find those documents. Who knows? It's Google. Now they are deleting some functions from Google Drive, from Adsense. They're removing like some data from Adsense. Like now you will have only information from the last 3 years of reports in your Adsense. So just in case, my advice. The next part is a very tricky part. It is the most trickiest part in all this agreement. That's why I'm recording this video actually. So you click next. I mean, this is the one of the most trickiest part of this agreement. Okay, look, let's just say this YouTube channel belongs to you, right? So you click this button. I mean, you pick this option. But what if this channel belongs to someone else? You are a multi-channel network, or maybe your kid or your grandmother has YouTube channel. No, it's not funny. Nowadays, everyone can, like, have channel. It's not funny anymore. Like kids, like cats, dogs. Okay, maybe it's overboard, but So if this channel belongs not to you, but to someone else, or you are trying to do some money laundering, so you so you pick this option. No, no. But in my case, I picked this option because the channel belongs to me. I'm the sole owner. So yeah. Next. All right, this is very important. This is the most tricky part of this agreement. Super tricky part because, look, I will give you a very simple advice. If some question is not like certain, if it has no certain like shape, if it can be bigger or smaller, you have to have the very same answer. So if the question is like not certain, then the answer should be also not certain. Okay, let's just read it very carefully. Has the individual or entity identified in text entity section, like you and me, performed any activities and services for Google within the United States? Okay, let's just think about it. What do you mean Google activity? Like physical activity, like you have been to United States and you did something on the territory of the United States, like physically. Actually, me, I have never been to the United States. Okay? So Google, do you mean like internet activity or physical activity? You don't point this out, Google, so I don't know. What do you mean? I don't understand. So I understand this in my way, and in my way, I haven't been to the United States. I haven't done anything physically there, so no. I certify that services provided to Google or will be performed solely outside the United States, and that any labor or capital used to provide the service will be physically located outside of the United States. Yes. Maybe later on I will create a new channel, maybe later on. But right now, this is the only option that you have to think about, like for current moment. The previous one about taxes, like rates, you have to think about future, but this one for current moment. Okay, so in my country, Swift was introduced in December 2019. Here they say that uh, you have to this word, you have to give an oath or like swear or something. You have to like okay, you have to admit that your information like payment and stuff hasn't been changed since the beginning of previous year 2020. Yes, in my case, I entered Swift information like it was like the update for my country. So my country, switched from the old system, from legacy system to Swift system in December 2019. And since then, I haven't changed anything in my payment profile and my Adsense profile altogether. So yes, I have no changes. Submit. This is very. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye bye. Bye bye. And have a good time. See you later in the next video about something very interesting or maybe not very interesting. And I remember, and I recommend you to all the time save everything because you have a chance to do so right now. Maybe later on you will not have this chance. All right. All right. All right.